Hi guys, it's Sead. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. In just one day, the Ukrainian Air Force shot down 2 more Russian Su-34 fighters. This marks the 10th Russian fighter down in the past 10 days, which is truly remarkable. While the details remain unknown, whether it's the US Patriot system or something else, we are not complaining. Keep them coming.
Ukrainian forces shot down the second Russian Su-34 attack plane in a single day on February 27th, the Air Force reported. They wrote on X, "Oops, we did it again." Another Russian Su-34 fighter bomber was destroyed by Ukrainian warriors in the eastern direction. And now it's 10 destroyed Russian planes in 10 days. According to the Air Force, the second plane was downed at around 2 p.m. local time in the same sector as the previous one. The destruction of the jet is the latest in a recent uptick of downed Russian planes, including 2 A-50 early warning and control aircraft in the past 2 months, each costing around $330 million. Ukraine reportedly downed a Su-34 on February 21st, a Su-34 and a Su-35S plane on February 19th, a Su-34 plane on February 18th, as well as 2 Russian Su-34 fighter jets and another Russian Su-35 combat aircraft on February 17th. Russia has lost around 340 planes since the beginning of the full-scale invasion, the General Staff of Ukraine's armed forces reported. There are signs that the uptick in aircraft losses has caused Russia to change its aerial strategy, reducing the number of sorties flown by Russia's Air Force, the Institute for the Study of War said in December 2023. And in Russian capital, Moscow celebrated their loss of $740 million in aircraft in the past week with fireworks on the Defenders of Fatherland Day. 1 A-50U, 5 Su-34, $250 million, 2 Su-35, $160 million. Congratulations. Russia is continuing with several attacks on multiple fronts, but it seems that Ukrainians are getting a hold on themselves. This is a joint combat work of the 14th, 32nd, 42nd, and 56th Brigade, which repelled a Russian attack. Tanks, BMPs, BMDs, armored columns of the occupiers are constantly being destroyed by well-aimed shots of artillery and drones, the AFU reports. Video after a drone attack on a car with military personnel who were building the Surovikin line in the village of Pokachevo, Grey-Voronsky district, Belgorod region. The voiceover says that he was transporting guys from the line when they were attacked by a drone. "I have 3 eliminated and 1 injured," the man says in the video.
Атаковал дрон. Все. У меня 200-е. 200-е. 3 200-х. И 1 300-й. Игорь, ты видишь? Нет. А? Нет. Глаз. Глаза. Ага. Ох, ёпту. Все, сейчас. Так. Все, уходим.
And while the U.S. help is on hold, French President Macron announced the creation of a new coalition to supply Ukraine with longer-range missiles and ammunition, adding that even sending Western ground troops to fight the Russian invasion cannot be ruled out. Today, there is no consensus on sending ground troops, but nothing should be ruled out. "We will do everything possible so that Russia cannot win this war," Macron said after a meeting of European leaders in Paris. He noted that the new coalition will be created to supply missiles and bombs of medium and long range to Ukraine, and added, "We are convinced that the defeat of Russia is necessary for security and stability in Europe."
Si l'Europe, et je dirais a fortiori chacun de nos États membres, dont la France, nous sommes souverains, notre avenir, et si on considère que cette guerre détermine notre avenir, ce que je crois profondément, parce que se joue là notre sécurité comme Européens, est-ce que nous devons déléguer notre avenir à l'électeur américain? Ma réponse est non, quel que soit son vote. Donc on n'a pas à attendre le résultat, C'était le but de cette réunion d'aujourd'hui, c'est pour ça que je l'ai voulu maintenant. N'attendons pas de savoir quelle est l'issue de ce résultat. Décidons maintenant, parce que le constat est clair. C'est notre avenir, c'est l'Europe qui est en jeu. C'est aux Européens de décider. C'est formidable si on en a d'autres qui nous joignent, mais ça doit être en plus. Nous devons avoir la possibilité de faire sans. Pas par défiance, pas par pessimisme, pas parce qu'on aurait peur, juste parce que c'est ce qui dépend de nous. C'est ce qu'on doit faire. Je suis dans cet état d'esprit.
The president of Poland, Andrzej Duda, stated that the main topic which was heatedly debated at today's international summit in France was the deployed of NATO ground forces into Ukraine, with a number of allied countries claimed to already be prepared or preparing for such an operation, while several others stated that it should at least be discussed. Ukraine is discussing with France the possibility of transferring Mirage 2000 fighter jets, Zelensky said. Ukrainian force has already completed the training on Swedish Saab JAS-39 Gripen fighters, which is going to be sent soon to Ukraine, as Hungarian parliament has approved the Sweden NATO membership. The Netherlands is investing more than 100 million euros in the Czech initiative to quickly deliver hundreds of thousands of artillery shells to Ukraine. This is all slowly picking up speed. And the most important part, the European Parliament has voted in favor of €50 billion in aid to Ukraine, for 536 MEPs against 40 votes. This is almost at the level of frozen US aid. Thankful to the European Union for standing with Ukraine. And more good news for the end. Sri Lanka confiscates the visas of 300,000 Russians living there. They now have to leave the country within 2 weeks. Off to beautiful Russia. Putin is looking forward to his new cattle.
And for the end, thanks for watching, and we are truly amazed what is happening with the Ukrainian air defense and Russian planes. We don't know what is the cause of this, but surely we will keep an eye and we will report on every other development in this field. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.